Let's solve one previous question of graph theory. This question was asked in GATE CS 2018, question number 18. The chromatic number of the following graph is dash. This is the graph and it is asking for chromatic number. Chromatic number is the minimum number of colors required to color the graph. Now let me assign A as red color. If A is red, then A adjacent B, C, E cannot be red. So I can assign red to D, right? Next, suppose B is green, then A, C, D, F cannot be green, but E can be green. So let me assign green to E. Next, suppose C is blue, then C adjacent A, B, D, E cannot be blue, but F can be blue. So we just require 3 color. Every colors are assigned to 2 vertices, right? So chromatic number equals to 3. I already discussed graph coloring. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.